Sanibonani ninjani, good morning, and how are you? Ninjani, my board members. So welcome back to my YouTube channel where we speak all things news and everything. So again, into guys, subscribe. Before you even watch the whole thing, please just press a like or share no comment, as helps the channel grow. It's free. Anyway, so today we are speaking izingane zithembu ne from popular from uthando nesithembu, right? Useleko esigwile sinabafazi abawu4, then ke wasezala ka madodana ke ingane ehlone ke wasebana nethumbu umpumelela mzala kumayeni, umayeni unumber 2 kwamele abo number 1. Hayi, so ke umfana ke phela ke has been vuvrying izingane ke lapho unovuyokazi uvuyokazi Mncweni unoTerelo wafaka umacele kwahamba omunye wathi usifuna umuntu oyintombi into, so kwaxatshwana ke ayi uvuyokazi ngoba uyena omdala unengane eziwu2 semzala ingane eziwu2 umhlophekazi noNzulu into enjalo. Why said according to uvuyokazi uthi she was promised ukuthi uzoba umamkhulu, mase thola ukuthi hayibo nangu usicela number 2 lo mpumelelo sethi uzothatha ivirgin yena ashade ugele kwaba offended, kwafika lo Terelo ke abazwaneke nje kuyale nale. She ended up saying uyahamba ke yena, of which uhambile namhlanje siva ngokuthi uvuyokazi uselotsholiwe, ulotsholwe uchef ekuthi uXolani ohlala phesheya, asazi bebethandane ngoba kade bephika awunaye yebo. So I'm fine with that, right? I'm okay with ulotsholwe, I'm happy for her, but for me I don't think it's genuine too. It feels like uvuyo is doing it because ufuna ukinspice umpumelelo angithi ngoba bekafuna ukuthi amshade and then akamshade, so uyahamba ke within 2 weeks uyoshada umunye umuntu. Is it for yourself, Vuyo, or you just doing it just to prove the point kwamsele ukuthi you can do it? You know, that's how I'm looking at it. And on the other side, this Xolani guy abathi uBroky, he's looking for, I mean, can say TV usifonela ifame uguy usifonela ukuthi yabo chef ayiqashelwe asebenze. So that's how I feel, you know. And kusheshe kakhulu uguy uqale wakuphosa ama birthday thing ngoJune phela uvuyokazi besathandana noMpumelelo khona manje le ukuthi usayithandana nalo mfana uthi amshaya, but we happy for her if also she feels or she believes ukuthi as something good njengamanje for yena. It's okay for ipain face abana nje bafethu mongabe ukupain nje wenza noma yini, but that's fine. But ke hayi ke okwenzakalile njengoba izolo kade lotsholwa lo girl uvuyokazi umseleko abasamudle bathi abamfele kuma social media, waposta ingane kaTerelo wathi singabakho umseleko, that's igama layo vele, but I love their names. The names are beautiful. But abantu nje umseleko umdala nje for le childish extra yenzayo le yilo yenzayo uposta lengane kaTerelo ngoba naku uvuyokazi sehambile oshade ngendoda. You are so old, you're being petty, ucathi lengane yakho izodlala ngovuyokazi yo. Kodwa nomseleko, I think the timing was wrong of posting the picture umzukulu walomunye, because the other mzukulu the ugel uhamba nengathi kezo2, and we all know how umseleko always feels about the first ukuthi akafuni ingane zakhe ingane uthi ingane zomfana zakhe zokumele zendodana zimkhuliswe ekhaya. Manje uvuyokazi uthatha ingane uzikhulisela le kwenye indoda, lento angayifuni kumseleko ngoba nosineyingane zakhe uyasho ukuthi akuzona ezalapha kwandoda. So that's how it is. So yeah, the mseleko is somehow heartbroken. Now we are waiting for uMpumelelo kahambe nayo lobola ke ngoba he's gonna do that. Thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you subscribe. Love you.